Today is fasting number 10, and open fasting today 17 minutes past 8. So each day the fasting getting longer and longer, 2-3 minutes. The weather is beautiful, sunny and warm. Cannot believe fasting is already 10 days. I feel like yesterday. It's a beautiful day. This is a Attenborough Nature Reserve. Thank you. Brompton, Nottingham. Normally in the morning or early afternoon, lot of people walking in here, or some people do exercise like running. See a lot of boats on the right side. People live on the boat. People having fun out there. From last week, the lockdown is over, so people can have drink out there outside. Beautiful afternoon. So this is the river trend, and then some water coming down here toward the canal. So the canal get water from the Trent Bridge. This is the water lock there to control the water coming from the river Trent. It's beautiful, very clean. Welcome to Brompton Canal. There's water lock, and up there is river Trent. This is Brompton Island in Nottingham. So roughly another 19 or 20 more days fasting. And fasting, we're doing it every once a year. And then after that, the end of fasting, we call Eid. It's the day when we celebrate after we do our fast. Chelsea.